Hey man, it's official. They are officially here, bro, and I am super excited. I can't even believe that one, I hit on an EQ raffle, and two, that I hit on these joints in today's box, man. You guys already know what it is about a thumbnail and the title, but we gotta jump right into these things. So without further ado, man, let's go on and unveil. Probably going down as sneaker of the year. Let's get right into it, man. Yo, what's going on, everybody on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. It's another one of them ones where, I'm super excited to bring you guys this content because not one, it's just me, expressing my love for shoes and this my excitement and joy for actually hitting on something. And I do think I would still have the same excitement, even if I did have to, pay resale, if that did come down to, if that came down to it. But again, I see the market kind of moving weird, and I'm gonna let you guys know why I think it might be the best time to get them this week. Like, I honestly think this is the time to get them this week. And I'm gonna let you guys know all the details in today's video, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please, man, do your boy a solid and run them likes up for your boy, the benches. Every single like counts, and it's tremendously appreciated, man. All right, we gotta speed that intro up real quick, man, because I still have yet to unbox these joints right here in today's box, man. I've been waiting, bro. I've been tempted to open it up. I've been tempted. You don't even understand. I had these for like 2 days now, and I'm like, bro, when is it time to actually do the video? Because I can't, I'm too antsy. I need to see them in hand. I gotta check them out, and they are finally here. I beat the final ball. Shout out to my boy Break. I can't believe it, man. It was super quick shipping when I did get the notification. So let's go ahead and check them out, man. Let's see what we got, and you guys can check it out. Y'all see what we got, man. Hey, y'all run them likes up. Y'all spam undefeated in the comment section for your boy the Vince, because this is crazy, man. Y'all see a box. 05 to 25, 20th year anniversary. An official colorway reads Air Jordan 4 Retro OG SP, deep green, clementine, and black. And I got them in a personal size 9.5, man. Y'all see them, bro. So it's time. It's time. I need to, spark up the Bruce Buffer intro. It's time. If you guys know what I'm talking about, if you know, you know. But let's go ahead and flip them over. You guys can see the tissue paper. Got Undefeated, got Jumpman's over there. I feel like something's moving around in the background. Yes, check it out. You do have an Undefeated card that came with it. Go ahead and check that out. But yeah, let's enough talking, bro. I'm literally about to pull both of them out of the box to check them out, because this is a grail. This is a holy grail in the sneaker community, and I was able to hit for retail. And yes, sir, yes, sir, we have them, man. Check it out. The Air Jordan 4 Undefeated, guys, man. It does not feel real that I have these in my possession. Like, I honestly cannot believe that I have these in the collection. And I know I could have got them on resale, and for me to get these for retail, and that is crazy, man. Like, look at these joints. And let me go ahead and pull out the other sneaker right quick. I can't believe it, man. If you guys are still waiting on shipping confirmations, please let me know. I would not be too worried about it, because again, y'all gotta see me. I was antsy. I was, a little nervous. I didn't think I was gonna get my pair, but they are here, bro. Straight from Undefeated, and the shipping was relatively quick once I got that confirmation that they shipped. But it just seemed like it took the longest for me to get that email and that tracking number for these joints right here, man. But again, I gotta check them out, bro. I love the material that they threw on these. I don't see any crazy, factory flaw issues that I did see floating around on the internet and stuff like that. And overall, man, it's the Undefeated, bro. Undefeated with the Nike Air on the back, of course, the infamous removal of the Jumpman patch on the tongue. You got your rare Air on the tongue right there, man. Check them out, bro. And I might have pop out with these a little earlier than expected. I might have to do it, man. Oh, they actually came with some extra laces. I don't know how to know that. I just kept seeing pictures floating around, but yes, they come with some orange laces. But I think, me personally, I'm gonna stick with the black that came in them, man. But check them out. You guys let me know how you feel about the Undefeated Airs and the fours. Of course, you got your hang tag right there. The quality of the tongue too, like, feel a little different. Again, it's my first time ever seeing these in hand. Never seen them in hand. They were like slim pickings at, you know, sneaker conventions and stuff like that. I've seen onesies and twosies over the last 10 years, but actually have them in hand and possessing them, bro, it's never happened. And they are here, man. I could not believe it. So we are supposed to get a release of the Air Jordan 4 Undefeateds on the Nike Sneakers app. But as you guys know, and I know, you know what I'm saying, we haven't seen anything confirmed on the Sneakers app in terms of, you know, when it's happening or how it's happening. You know, it's 90% sure that the drop will happen on the Nike Sneakers app, but we don't have no solid information on how it's gonna go. And just given the history of how Nike has been doing stuff this year, the CEO, we might see something similar to the Air Jordan 4 SB Navy Blues, or even, you know, another one of those weird releases where it was a weird, you know, like exclusive access, or you had to click a link, you had to scratch some photos off or something like that. I do honestly think that that could potentially happen for these Undefeated guys. Like, this is a staple sneaker right here, and I do think that Undefeated released the majority of the pairs. You guys know, usually, like with I'm on a year, sometimes we get the majority of the stock on sneakers and less stock on their website and raffles and stuff like that. And I think it's the opposite case for Undefeated. I think they released the majority of their pairs, just given the fact that we've seen so many W's from Undefeated going out, from EQL to in-store raffles to the release date that these actually released on Undefeated. I think that they had the majority of the stock, and we just still sitting here twiddling our fingers and trying to figure out, you know, what's going on with the Nike Sneakers app and how they're actually going to release the Air Jordan 4 Undefeateds, man. I told you guys earlier in the intro, I think that this is the perfect time to go ahead and pull the trigger on the Undefeated Air Jordan 4s, just given the fact that they are sitting relatively low. Like, most pairs are in the 400s right now, and right before the EQL raffle, these are sitting around like 700-800. So they did drop a bit, but I do think, again, with them not dropping as many pairs, or with the release even getting botted or something, you know, on Sneakers app, I think that the resale would definitely rise in the near future. Just look back at the Air Jordan 5 Metallic reimagines. Look at the Air Jordan 3 Black Cats. There's some other sneakers out there that are going for a pretty penny that just, you know, sort of just climbed up slowly. But after, you know, the release gets botched out and the release is just terrible on sneakers, which I'm hoping it isn't, but 9 times out of 10 it is, that resale will definitely rise up pretty quickly. And again, man, I cannot believe that I actually have them, bro. I need y'all to go ahead and spam some fire emojis down below. Spam Undefeateds down below, because I have a crispy pair of Air Jordan 4 Undefeateds in the collection, man. Like, I gotta take my hats off to it, you feel me? Again, I do feel bad that, you know, some people got some bad pairs, but it seems like it was only a couple, you know, ones and twos out there in terms of bad quality overall. Yeah, some with glue stains, stitching issues, but other than that, man, like, bro, I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna give you a 360. This pair right here is absolutely flawless, in my honest opinion, man. But I appreciate all the support again, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you miss out on any content that we do drop. We got some more stuff lined up. I see so many boxes around me and stuff that we have to do. So I do appreciate you guys. Hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on it. I need y'all to be pulling up, hitting that like button, spamming the comments. I need all the interaction, because without you guys, the channel would just be me talking to myself, and we don't want that. I just put my video on private for all that, you know what I'm saying? But again, I do truly appreciate all the love and support you guys have been showing for the last, what, I think I've been doing YouTube for like 7 years, bro. So, hey, I appreciate y'all. Taking my hats off to y'all. Hey, and none of this will happen without you guys. So all this being said, again, man, thank y'all. I love y'all. And I'm going to go ahead and check out my Undefeated 4s. Hey, no flexing. I'm just excited. Y'all be excited with me. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.